Hey guys, TechEffect here with the ESYNiC wireless mini keyboard mouse. Let's get into it. So we got the packaging here. It's pretty simple. Has the title, has the logo. It's a nice shiny font, and it has the actual product. Let's open it up. I don't know how to. Oh, there we go. How do I open this thing? Alright, we got it open. We're gonna have to break out the rainbow knife. Alright, boys, we're in. So we have the keyboard. I wouldn't really call it a keyboard. Call it more like a keypad. That's what it is. The buttons feel kind of like on a remote almost. Like they're kind of clicky. And then it has right here, which is what I assume is a keypad, or not a keypad, a touchpad. So you can use that as like a mouse on a keyboard. And it has a it has a USB female to USB male, and then a micro USB. That's pretty weird. I'll untwist this. This is all one cord. This is all one cord. Alright. Not really sure how this works, but we'll figure it out. And then I have the instructions for the keyboard. Pretty extensive. But yeah, I'll try this thing out, and I'll give you my 2 cents. So I'm back, and this thing is actually really nice. It's a really good product. So the way you use it is with the included dongle, which comes in a little back compartment here along with the battery and such. You just plug that in to whatever device you're using, so you can use this with pretty much any device that has a USB port. You just plug it into the dongle, and you're set. And then you just turn this on, and it will flash, and then it'll connect, and then it's ready to use. And this works essentially as just a full keyboard. So you have all your buttons right here, like a normal keyboard, and then right here you have left click and right click, and that's for obvious reasons. You have media control right here, directional input, and then right here has a touchpad, and it's actually really responsive for a product this cheap, so that's nice. So yeah, this is a really good product for a specific use. This is really specifically meant for, like, say you have an Android box or like a TV box that you put behind your TV, and that's how you basically use your TV. That's how you use like Netflix and Hulu and stuff. Well, this is fantastic for that, because you just plug in the little dongle. You charge this via this little port, so you don't need to replace batteries or anything. And yeah, so you just use it to control it, and it works just fine. So I would definitely recommend this if you have something like an Android smart box, or like something like that like powers your TV, like an Amazon Fire, something like that. And yeah, and on to the cord. I said I didn't really know why it was made so oddly. I had this and this and all this, so I assume the reason is so you can plug this in, and then basically you can have your dongle and this charging at the same time. So that's the only really reason I can think of. Or if you just want to also have this port always open, so this doesn't just take up a port. Really, I mean, it's just a really weird cord. I don't really know why they made it like this, but I mean, it charges it, so it's whatever. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you have a smart box. And yeah, it's really good for the price. So if you like this review, and if it helped you at all, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you.